Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to convert Google Sheets into JPEG real quick. First, click on File in your Google Sheet, then click on Download and download it in PDF. Click on Export right here. Now it will open up your file and select New File, Export. Select where you want to export it. In my case, it is my download folder, and press Save. Now go over here to smallpdf.com and convert PDF to JPEG. Right click on Downloads and simply drag and drop your file right here, and it will be converting it to JPEG. Once you have it done, press Download right here and it will download your file and press Save. And as you can see now, when I go to my Downloads folder, I have JPEG. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.